Hello beaders, welcome to my channel Ubuchule Bezandla. I'm from today, guys, I'm going to call you beaders because I understand that you are here because you are interested in learning how to make beaded necklaces, or you just like my work, because the purpose of this channel was to just share my completed work. But because of your request to do tutorial videos, last week I started to post my first tutorial video. So last week, I'm going to call this video part 2 of web necklace. Man, it's part 2 because last week I didn't show you how to make a beaded button to fasten your necklace at the back of your neck. So today we are making a beaded button to fit in here. Ne? So let's call this a button hook. This is a necklace that I was making. So if you started with me, I'm sure you are done by now. You finished. So we're left with a button here. So, and this is what I use. This is a wooden bead. This is what I use. I'm going to show you how I do it. First, I'm going to secure a thread here. I'm securing this thread here. It should look like this. Yeah. Then I'm covering this wooden bead with these beads to match the neck piece. So I'm going to use only black beads. I'm gonna pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beads. Let me try with 6 beads and see if it's going to fit. Okay. See? Kumele ibe kanjena ke. Kumele ibe nje xa sikhava le bead inkulu. We cover it with these small beads. Ne? This is a size 8 beads, by the way. 4, 5, 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So to make this button, this beaded button, you can use a plastic bead inside or wooden beads, but I prefer a wooden one, not plastic, but you can also use it, it's fine. If you don't have wooden beads, then you can use plastic beads. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ingaphithani, iyathanda ukuphithana xa ngaba ungayihoyanga ivele iphithane. So make sure that ayiphithani, ngoba xa seyiphithene ixesha iyalimosha. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cela guys, xa ngaba nibukele le video, ni subscribe if you are a new person here. Please subscribe. And if mhlambi ulahlekile, if you are lost in what you are doing, please go to my previous tutorial video to see what we're doing. We're making this web necklace in my first tutorial video. Now we are putting a button for this button hook. If you like what I'm doing here, please press a like button and subscribe. Yeah, you see now it's covered. It's covered. Yeah. Let's see if it fits in here. You see? Okay, iyangena. It's gonna look like that. Iyangena. Okay. Now senza ntoni? Sifaka ama beads. Let's secure it like once. Sifake ikhali engafakwanga beads nje, just once to secure the beads. Yeah. Okay. Niyabona? All right. Now we are going to attach this button here, but first sizawufaka ama beads apha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Like that, niyabona? And then we attach it here. We attach it here. We put a needle through those two beads. Yeah. like that, and then we go back through these ones. You see, we go back through those beads, those 2 beads. Yeah, man. And then through those 2 beads. You see? No, this 1 bead. This is 1 bead. Through this 1 bead. Yeah, man. Yeah, and then I put 2 beads. 1, 2, and then I connect it here. I go back to the button. You see how it looks? So sendiyifakile ke ndayiqinisa. Ngoku ndizayiqinisa ke again ubana ingaphumi. Okay. Niyayibona ke ukubana ngoku iqinile. Ndiyiqinisile, but I'm going to make a knot somewhere. I'm going to go through these beads, like that. Then make a knot here. Like that. Go through these 3 beads, and then I go back through the bigger bead, like that. Then I'm done. You see? So this is our necklace. This is our web necklace. This is our web necklace. Niyayibona ibinjani? Seyigqityiwe. Niyayibona guys? Niyayibona? Niyayibona ibinjani intle? So okay, now if you have started, please make that big button. And kukhona umbuzo ebendifuna ukuyiphendula. One lady uye wandibuza in my first tutorial video uba how many starting beads. There's a lady who asked me how many starting beads. So ndifuna ukumphendula ke. I want to answer you, Sisi. I don't know how many starting beads. I don't do a web necklace like that. I count the rows. I count a row like 1. Okay, let me do this. I count rows, ne? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 rows. That's how I count, not how many starting beads, ne? And your rows must be odd numbers, not even numbers. They must be odd numbers. So my first row is 2 beads and a connecting beads, which is white. The second row is 2 beads and a connecting bead, this white one. And the third row is 3 beads, 3 black beads and a connecting bead. The fourth row is 3 beads and a connecting bead. And the fifth row is 4 beads and connecting. The sixth row is 4 beads and connecting bead. The sixth row is 5 beads and a connecting bead. And the seventh row is 5 beads also and a connecting beads. Okay, it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The eighth row is okay, ndibhidekile ke ngokuba how many ndikuphi, but ke njalo njalo ukhawunte kanjalo, not by how many starting beads. Andikaze ndiyisebenzise loo ndlela yokhawunta ukuthi how many starting beads xa ngaba ndisenza i-web necklace. And then mna last week, you remember I said I start with a neck, this part, and then this part, ndizokwenza this part, ne? But you can start with this part ugqibele nge-neck, or you can start with a button uqhubeke with this part bese ugqibela ngale part ye-neck. So this is how I do it, ne? And also guys, I want to show you something, ne? If you are making a web necklace, you see those white beads, connecting beads, I put one connecting beads. You don't have to put 1 connecting beads, ne? But this was a start. This is a start, ne? I want to show you something. This is a start. I put 1 If you like, you can put two connecting beads, like 2 beads and 2 connecting beads, ne? Or 3 beads instead of 1 bead. You can put 3 beads. For example, I want to show you this one, this neck piece. You see this one? I started with this part. In this one, I started with this part. We don't have a neck yet here. I started with this part, but I want to show you these connecting beads. I put 3 beads, 3 connecting. I put 3 connecting beads instead of 1 because I want this necklace to be bigger than this one. I want the size of it to be bigger than this one, as you can see. We have one. And then how many rows here? How many rows? It's 1 2. It's 1 2 3. Okay. It's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Ne? So we have 14 rows up. Yeah, but connecting beads zingu 3 nazi. Yeah, so ungabeka no 2 xa uthanda, depending ubana i-necklace yakho izoba nkulu kangakanani. Yeah, and then also increase ama rows. Angabi lana I-11. If you want to make 12 or 13, you can do that, and then put 2 2 2 2, or put 3 3 3 3, ne? So this is ilento bendifuna unibonisa yona. This is what I wanted to show you. Ubangaba, if you have questions, you can write in the comment, then ndizakuphendula ku-video elandelayo. I'm going to answer you in the next video if you have some questions. And please guys, subscribe to my channel. If you are new and this is your first tutorial video you see, go back to the previous tutorial video to see how to make a web necklace, and then you come to this one. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next upload. Bye bye.